Hi, good morning, Ali.
Good morning, Ingrid. What's happening?
Would you like visit to Mexico City?
Yes, I would like it.
Um, I I did a school for us, but only one day because the next day I am going to visit more places with Christian.
Don't worry. What is schedule? What are we going to do?
I think these activities will be great for this Saturday. First, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. We are going to arrive in Mexico City. Second, at 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. We are going to walk around in Mexico Center, in center of Mexico. Maybe in the next 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. and we have a reservation. We are going to eat an amazing restaurant.
I love your plan, but can I add other thing to do?
Sure.
5 p.m. to 6 p.m. we are going to visit the Zócalo. After are going to shopping in Barrio Chino. Finally, we are going to go back our house.
See you this Saturday.
See you soon. I can't wait for this travel.